Hi, I'm Scott Larson, General Manager of the Holiday Inn San Antonio Airport, and I'm here to tell you about IHG's Green Engage tool. Green Engage is an online tool that allows hotels to measure, report, and manage their energy, water, and waste. The great thing about Green Engage and having a sustainability program, it gives you something to talk about with your guests and corporate accounts as they expect us to partner with them to achieve their sustainable goals. At my hotel, we were able to secure a $50,000 piece of business from our comp set due to our efforts. Not only does Green Engage help drive revenue, it can save you money, increase employee engagement, and help save the environment. Now let's take a tour. You get to Green Engage from Merlin. Click on Applications and select Green Engage. This is the home page where you land once a hotel goes through a one-time setup process. I like this page. It's a quick, easy landing point to get a quick snapshot of your hotel activity. Tooltips give ideas on things for your hotel that you can do. The hotel snapshot shows trends of monthly energy usage. Outstanding data reminds you of what data is missing and what needs to be input. Upcoming actions show both hotel progress versus Green Engage certification and specific actions your hotel has selected to complete in the next 3 months. This is just a summary page of how your hotel is performing. Before you can use this though, you have to input the data for your hotel. Now let's see how easy Green Engage is to use. Select the Usage Data button and go to the next section. This is where you go to record your monthly utility costs and consumption. Inputting data is easy and tailored to the needs of your hotel as you select the utilities that are most relevant. Gather your utility bills for the month: electricity, gas, water, waste, recycling, etc. Choose the relevant utility tab. Here we're choosing electricity. Click on the consumption or cost field and then type in the data from your bills. Tooltips can help you if you're not sure what something means. You can also use the Data Input tab to upload bulk data sets for single or multiple hotels. And it's great for historical data and those who work at the owner group level. Once you've selected your utilities and utility units of measure and have your bills, it shouldn't take very long to input the data. Now that you have data in the tool, you can run reports to see how your hotel is performing. To do this, click Reports. The first chart that comes up shows trends over time so you can see your hotel comparison month to month and year over year so long as you've input that data. I use this to identify if there's any areas I need to explore and improve. There's also a benchmark to compare versus similar hotels in similar climate zones. You can view the data in many different ways. You can choose different time periods and also download the data to a spreadsheet if you want to create your own reports. The data is clearly presented and easy to read. You can scroll down from consumption to cost, which is set up exactly the same way. At my hotel, since we've started our sustainability program, we've reduced our energy consumption by 553,000 kilowatt hours a year. We've reduced our water consumption from 202 gallons per occupied room down to 120, and we've sent 83 tons of material to the recycle company rather than the landfill every year. These are total savings of about $60,000 each year. Inputting data into Green Engage is like starting a fitness program for yourself. First, you step on the scale to see how much you weigh. Green Solutions is the next step of that fitness program to determine for your hotel what are the next energy actions you need to take. There are over 150. Some are no to low investment. Others require larger investment but have larger benefits. IHG came up with these by balancing the impacts to guests, the environment, and owner return on investment. So the things that appear in this list are customized with the hotels in mind. These solutions and the entire Green Engage tool have been LEED endorsed. There are 8 different action groups. In this case, I want to see what my hotel can do about water. A list appears with different categories of water solutions to choose from. So let's look at water fixtures. A narrative pops up giving you more information, considerations, advantages and disadvantages. And then there's a very simple, easy way to select and add actions for the different levels of certification within Green Engage to create hotel-specific action plans. In this case, let's add low-flow aerators to my hotel's action plan. You're now in the action plan part of the tool, which allows you to determine and track the progress of specific actions for your hotel. You can see low-flow aerators are now in my hotel's plan. It's easy to start timing for completion, select progress and status, and even add comments or attachments that you may need later. The more actions your hotel completes, the greater your progress toward levels of Green Engage certification. My hotel is 1/3 of the way to Level 1 certification. One of the other benefits of Green Engage is having more engaged employees. I've had staff come to me and tell me that they've started using more sustainable practices at home ever since the hotel got involved. Lastly, there's also a help and support page which has everything you need to use the tool at your fingertips. An animated introduction to Green Engage, a list of how to get started and the first things a hotel is to do, interactive guides providing step-by-step training and how to use the tool, an overview explaining certification within Green Engage, and links to the technical support where you can report any issues and challenges. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Green Engage and see how it can help your hotel drive revenue, save costs, drive employee engagement, and help the environment. Best of luck.